BlastOne is one of the fastest growing global suppliers of surface preparation products and technologies. Our expertise is making surface preparation faster, safer, and cleaner. Our core customers are project managers responsible for delivering long-term coating integrity to protect infrastructure and equipment. We cover offshore oil and gas, mining, manufacturing, and everything in between. Nearly 50 years of expertise, alongside our superior products and abrasives, make us a trusted partner to heavy industry, facilities, and industrial painting contractors. 90% of industrial coating failures are caused by improper surface preparation. The business is dirty, noisy, labor-intensive, and therefore typically undervalued as merely a chore. But true professionals realize surface prep is where a company's gains or losses are realized. Both reputation and profits can hinge entirely on the quality of the work completed before coatings are applied. BlastOne has committed itself to becoming the best in understanding the science and art of surface prep and painting. We have visited and consulted on more than 10,000 project job sites. Customers that partner with BlastOne outbid, outperform, and outlast their competition. Each client has a dedicated account manager and access to a global team of experts. Our partners are regularly introduced to the latest technologies and industry insights to help them grow and profit. Our experience, know-how, equipment, and abrasives combine to give our customers their competitive advantage. BlastOne, your competitive advantage.